Okay, I've built a new camping stove, a little bit larger than the previous one seen in previous video. And again, this is just a steel cap, 6 bolts, 3 for the legs through the bottom, like so, 3 longer ones to the top. And when you make this, you want to make these level so nothing rocks, and make the base level, of course. And I can burn anything I want to in here. I can burn charcoal, trioxane, wood, alcohol, what have you, whatever you want to carry with you backpacking. Very small, yet big enough to cook on, like so. And I can put a small saucepan on here or what have you. And this will heat up very fast, whatever I'm cooking. Work very good. When you put the bolts through, put washers on them, just in case you want to use just alcohol in here. Now there was a hole through the middle of this cap, so I sealed it off with these washers. That's why it's like that. Nice and small, take it anywhere. You can't really harm it. You can make it for almost nothing. Now that's truly a survival stove there. How cool is that? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.